Today I'm going to show you how to add a AI generated voice effect to a page in your design in Canva. To get started, click on duration and then click on add audio. Then click on generate AI voice. And then you can type anything in this text box that you want the AI voice to say. I'm going to use this as an example. So here you can change the voice. You can make it a variety of voices that Canva has. And they usually offer 2 free voices out of 4. So there's 2 paid voices and 2 free. I'm going to be using a free voice for this. So if we click on a voice, we can
subscribe to learn and fix on YouTube.
So if you like the voice, you can just click on generate AI voice and it will just load it in. And there we go. We have the track now, and if you test it,
subscribe to learn and fix on YouTube.
It works perfectly. So that's how you create a AI generated voice effect in Canva. I hope you found this video helpful. Please don't forget to like and subscribe.